Can QuickBooks collect money? It's a question I hear all the time, and it's a good one, because at the end of the day, what's the point of running a business if you can't actually get paid for your hard work? You put in the hours, deliver the product or service, and now it's time for the payoff. But that crucial last step, collecting your money, can often feel like the biggest hurdle. Let's set the scene. You've just finished a project for a client. You're feeling good about the work, and now it's time to send them the bill. Traditionally, this might involve creating an invoice in a word processor, printing it, stuffing it in an envelope, and mailing it. Then you wait, and maybe send a follow-up email, and maybe make a phone call. This process is not only time-consuming, but also prone to delays and errors. QuickBooks fundamentally streamlines this entire process. The journey to effective money collection with QuickBooks begins with its robust invoicing capabilities. This isn't just about creating a pretty document. It's about creating a professional, clear, and accurate bill that encourages prompt payment. Within QuickBooks, you can customize your invoices with your company logo, contact information, and even add specific payment terms. This seemingly small detail, clear payment terms, is actually incredibly powerful. By explicitly stating when payment is due, e.g. net 30, due upon receipt, you eliminate ambiguity and set clear expectations with your client. You can itemize services or products, add descriptions, and apply taxes, all within a few clicks. This level of detail helps prevent disputes and ensures your client understands exactly what they're paying for. QuickBooks supports a wide range of payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and even ACH bank transfers. This flexibility caters to different client preferences and increases the likelihood of prompt payment. Imagine a client who prefers to pay by credit card for rewards points. QuickBooks accommodates that. Another client prefers a direct bank transfer for larger sums. QuickBooks handles that too. By offering these diverse options, you remove potential excuses for delayed payments. Beyond facilitating online payments, QuickBooks is a powerhouse for tracking the status of your invoices. This is where you gain real visibility into your accounts receivable. At a glance, you can see which invoices are outstanding, which are overdue, and by how many days. This real-time information is invaluable. No more guessing who owes you what or manually sifting through spreadsheets. QuickBooks provides clear, concise reports that highlight your outstanding balances, allowing you to prioritize your follow-up efforts. And speaking of follow-up, this is where QuickBooks truly shines as a proactive money collection tool. It offers automated reminders for overdue invoices. You can set up a schedule for these reminders, perhaps a polite nudge 3 days before the due date, another on the due date, and then increasingly firm reminders at 7, 14, and 30 days overdue. These aren't generic, impersonal emails. You can customize the message, maintaining your professional tone while clearly indicating the overdue status. This automation saves you an incredible amount of time and mental energy. You no longer have to remember to chase down every late payment. QuickBooks does it for you, consistently and systematically. This consistent follow-up is critical for improving your collection rates. Many overdue payments are simply due to oversight or forgetfulness on a client's part, and a well-timed, automated reminder can often be all it takes to get paid. But what about those really stubborn payments? For those situations, QuickBooks provides you with the data you need to take further action. Its reporting features allow you to identify your worst offenders, clients who consistently pay late or have large outstanding balances. This information empowers you to make informed decisions. Perhaps you need to adjust your payment terms for certain clients, or maybe it's time to consider a more aggressive collection strategy for a particular invoice. Having this data at your fingertips means you're operating from a position of strength, not just guessing. Let's talk about the dreaded Accounts Receivable Aging Report. While the name might sound a bit dry, this report is your best friend when it comes to understanding your cash flow. It categorizes your outstanding invoices by how long they've been overdue, e.g., 1 to 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, 90 plus days. This visual representation immediately tells you where your biggest collection challenges lie. Are most of your overdue invoices just a few days late, or do you have a significant number of balances that are severely past due? This insight allows you to focus your collection efforts on the invoices that are most at risk to becoming uncollectible. It also helps you forecast your incoming cash more accurately, which is vital for managing your own expenses and growth. Beyond direct invoicing and reminders, QuickBooks also helps you manage customer relationships in a way that contributes to better payment behavior. Every interaction, every invoice, and every payment is recorded within the system. This creates a comprehensive history for each client. If a client disputes an invoice, you have all the necessary information readily available to address their concerns quickly and efficiently. A smooth and transparent process can build trust and encourage future on-time payments. Conversely, if you have a client who consistently struggles to pay, this historical data can inform your future decisions about working with them, potentially leading to revised terms or even a decision to part ways. Consider the time savings alone. Imagine how much time you currently spend manually creating invoices, sending reminders, and tracking payments. With QuickBooks, a significant portion of this administrative burden is automated. This frees up your valuable time to focus on what you do best, growing your business, serving your clients, and innovating. Time is money, and by streamlining your collection process, QuickBooks is quite literally helping you make more of it. But it's not just about getting paid faster. It's about reducing your risk. When invoices go uncollected for too long, they become increasingly difficult to recover. The longer a debt ages, the lower the probability of collecting it. Furthermore, QuickBooks also integrates with other essential business tools, extending its reach and enhancing its collection capabilities. For instance, you can connect it with customer relationship management, CRM software, allowing your sales and accounting teams to have a unified view of customer interactions and payment status. This synergy can lead to more coordinated communication with clients and a more holistic approach to managing your cash flow. So, can QuickBooks collect money? Absolutely. It transforms the often dreaded task of accounts receivable into a streamlined, automated, and much more efficient process. From professional invoicing and diverse payment options to automated reminders and insightful reporting, QuickBooks empowers you to take control of your cash flow and ensure you get paid for the value you provide. It's not just accounting software. It's a vital tool for the financial health and sustainability of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.